Halina't pag-score na 96-75, at pinangunahan niya ni Jordan Clarkson including 24 points sa third quarter, 14 points 5 rebounds si Renz Abondo, 12 points and 6 rebounds si Kai Soto, 11 points 5 rebounds and 6 assists naman si Dwight Ramos. At ito ay isa sa mga pinakamagandang experience ng mga Pinoy players, coaches at fans ng AO na hindi na related sa basketball. At isa din sa pinakamalaking balita ngayon ang sinawan ni Coach Chot Reyes ang kanyang pwesto bilang head coach ng Gilas Pilipinas matapos na ulanin ng Batikos Ngayon World Cup. At sa paliwanag nga ni Coach Chot dito na judged by us our performance na obviously ay umano ay hindi talaga kagandahan ang kanilang pinakita at tinatanggap niya ang responsibilidad na saluhin ang mga Batikos. Na bago pa man nga daw mag-start ang game nila laban sa China ay ipinahayag na niya na ito na ang kanyang huling game bilang head coach ng Gilas Pilipinas matalo man o manalo man tayo.
Decision that I arrived at with my family is I just think it's time. We had a great preparation plan, started preparation for this June 12, Independence Day, but we did get our first complete practice as a team, August 18, 1 week before our first game. Think about that. Even Team USA started practice August 3. Tayo nabuo lang tayo. August 18 was the first practice we had as a complete lineup. August 18, 7 days. And still we fought. We fought all of those opponents. Italy, captain team, Dominican, Angola. We fell short, but France didn't advance. Australia is not advancing. There's so many powerful teams that didn't advance. Pero sa Pilipinas, bawal matalo. Diba? Dito sa ating mga Pinoy, bawal matalo. It's just too heavy, masyado nang masakit, masyado mahirap. Just to be very honest, bastos naman talaga yung mga ibang pinagsasabi. So, I don't deserve it, my family doesn't deserve it.
Have you given this decision to the SPP and so you're saying that you won't have anything to do with the selection for the upcoming Asian Games?
I've informed Mr. Panlilio, Mr. Vargas, but there's no decision as of now. As far as I know, I don't know with them. But before the game, I told them this is going to be my last game already. Before the game, I said regardless of result.
Dahil panahon na nga daw para bigyan ng chance at karangalan ng ibang coaches na sinisigaw ng ibang mga fans, at isa pa dito ay ang sinabi ni Coach Chot Reyes na marami nga daw ang mga power teams na hindi nakapag-advance at katulad ng Australia, France at iba pang mga bansa na sa Pilipinas nga daw ay bawal matalo. Samantala based naman sa naging interview ni Jordan Clarkson ay hindi pa rin daw ito ang huling laro niya sa Gilas Pilipinas para sa 2027 FIBA World Cup at 35 baka sa kanyang pagbabalik ay baka nga maayos na rin ang lineup ng Gilas at rotation ng mga players, ngunit marami pa nga dito ang pwedeng mangyari. Si Clarkson din ay magiging effective na sa next season para sa kanyang bagong kontrata sa Jazz kung saan mula sa $23.5 million ay papatak na nga ito sa $51.5 million sa loob ng 4 na taong kontrata.